I can really do a zombie walk at this time. I'm trying to rebuild some strength in my legs. Five days confined to the bed, and they got weakened so much. Yeah. Just went potty by myself. Yeah. Man. Feeling a bit exhausted. This time, unlike yesterday, I actually got to pull down my panties, and it's like it. Mr. Wiggles not being there, but instead Miss Tickles being there. Doesn't feel odd at all. Feels normal. Yep. I'm looking forward to when they remove the catheter so that I could pee like without a catheter. And yeah, when Mr. Wiggles was there, when I was going potty, I used to actually feel a bit weird about Mr. Wiggles being there, but Miss Tickles, nope. It just feels completely normal. Yeah. But yeah, just thought I'd mention that in this video. Okay, breakfast is here, but I'm trying to gather some strength to enjoy the delicious breakfast. So, cereal, fruits, and croissant. And guess what? My first day after surgery, getting coffee. Oh, nice and fresh. Just got a chance to take a nice warm shower. Yeah. My first dilation. Yeah. Got number 0 dildo up my vagina, and yeah, that was quite a feeling. Dildo, prepped inside a condom, all looped, and I was like, oh shoot, that thing's going in me. Yeah, and now I'm kind of holding the dildo. I keep saying dildo, it's actually a dilator. A dilator for 15 minutes, I think. I've already held it for about a little bit, so yeah. I'm so glad I got a vagina. I didn't go with 0 depth because I kind of went through some scenarios in my head, and 0 depth, yeah, it depends on circumstances. I understand some may have no choice but to opt for 0 depth. Some may prefer 0 depth, but for me, 0 depth felt like if I had a choice, I'd prefer to have a vaginal canal So, yeah, zero depth would be feeling a little bit like something's missing. But with a vagina, it's like it's nice, right? It's clitoris, the lips, the vagina. Yep, and I get to stick a dildo up my vagina. So yeah, which is really, really cool. Dildo. I mean, dilator. Well, maybe a dildo, in the future, but right now it's a dilator and dilator number 0, which is the smallest dilator. Yep,